Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.